What's up guys? So when Apple launched its first iPhone with facial recognition system with the iPhone X, it went really popular, because it was pretty easy to place your face in front of the camera. You don't need to shift your grip to touch the fingerprint reader or to put your passwords. Just simply place your face in front of the camera and boom, your passwords auto-filled, your payments completed, all without moving a muscle. And now it seems Huawei wants to do the same, only differently, because as reported by Android Authority, the Chinese tech giant has filed for patents to bring full-screen fingerprint reading tech to its next generation of smartphones, which it thinks will be even more seamless than facial recognition system. So basically they are making a smartphone, which will have the fingerprint recognition tag all over the screen. Yes, not only in a small area, but whole display will have a fingerprint reading tag. So what Huawei will do is put multiple biometric sensors in the display, instead of just one as we see with the current phones. However, Huawei says it's working to cut down the cost of the sensors, as a part of a move to bring the tech to the market as soon as possible. So what it will do is, users will be able to leave their fingers where they are, like tapping on a lock screen notification or within whatever app in use, and the screen will authenticate. It's basically the next step towards continuation authentication, so simply just tapping on any area of the screen will unlock the device and take a user to the right application. Furthermore, for more power efficiency, the company will also gives you an option to disable sensors in some parts of the display, and its implementation will also lets you unlock specific application, and the manufacturer will also use machine learning to ensure power is only delivered to the part of the screen touched by the users. Having said that, this smartphone will also feature an under-display tech for the first time, because Huawei said we are working to make it all-screen fingerprint reader coexist within display selfie camera. That is something unique, and this whole animation is more closely aligned with Apple than anyone else, because Huawei is also working to launch its own operating system, and it will be the direct competitor to Apple. They just want to make a unique smartphone that will attract a lot of audience. So yeah, what do you think about it? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be phenomenal. And my name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.